Well, this is the day after I lost my Flytec T13. Flew away over there in that direction. About there, it was last time I saw it, about there, and it just carried on in that direction. Eventually found it, so you're going to see the rescue mission. But, some of it I filmed today, but there's a little bit of it, the last part I filmed yesterday. I was in a bit of a panic trying to find it, so I wasn't really thinking much about filming it. Just trying to concentrate on finding it before it ran out of power, because it took me a while to figure out. I've got that app on my phone. It's a little Wi-Fi detector app. I was probably searching for it for about 40-45 minutes before I realised I had that. Luckily, it was an app I downloaded on my old phone, and luckily I'd transferred everything across. I didn't realise I had it on this phone. I was pretty chuffed when I found I still had it on this phone, so I used that. But I thought I was like running really low on power, because it was about a good 45 minutes. And I've been flying it around for about 5 or 6 minutes, and it only has about a 6.5 minute flight time, so I knew there wasn't much power left in the battery. So I was on a proper mission trying to find it, and oh my goodness, was it a mission. I was nearly waist deep in some long grass over there trying to find it. And anyway, I'll show you the video and let you know how I found it. Okay, so I'll just show you how far it got. This is where I was flying from, this bench here. So I went all over this way. It's a good 100 metres to that tree line. Now, this is about the last place I saw it here. Now, I was worried it was going to go up in them trees up there, but I thought maybe it's gone in that long grass. So I searched all in the long grass, in the trees. It's quite long as well in there, overgrown, nothing. I searched all this area, out to where that bird is, just in front of them trees there, all around here. And then I was dreading it being in that long grass. It's quite long grass, that. It's like parts of it are up to my waist. Most of it's like knee deep. I searched all around here. When it got to here, I pressed the land button. That's the little bleep you can hear on the video, and it should land. And when it goes out of range, it should land as well. So I thought it can't have gone that far, but the wind was taking it out that way. So I was just worried it's in all this long grass. Spent about 45 minutes checking all around here, all under those trees. I was asking people going past, like dog walkers, just to have a look as well, because they were all wondering what I was doing, running around like a headless chicken trying to find my drone. And it was after about 45 minutes I remembered I had that app, that Wi-Fi detector app by Keuwlsoft on my phone. Luckily I'd transferred it across, didn't realise it was on this phone, it's a new phone. So I started that up, and I started getting a signal around here. There was quite a lot of Wi-Fi interference with the houses over there and stuff, so I was picking up their Wi-Fi. So what I did, I waited till I got quite close to it on the bars, and then flipped it over to the meter, and it was around here I kept getting really good signals. I was walking up and down this grass here, and I was walking up this way, the signal would go down, and I was walking up this way, it gets stronger again. And then I kept getting, it would like peak and stuff like that, so it just really confusing me where it was. But you can see all here where the grass is flat, where I've been trying to find it. And I looked at the FPV feed, and I was getting a live feed off it still, and I thought it was buried in the grass, but it looked like it was at the top of the grass somewhere, because I was getting a really clear image of all this grassy stuff, so I knew it was visible somewhere. It couldn't have been hidden. Anyway, I just persevered with that Wi-Fi detector app. Just keep walking around and around and around until the signal was getting stronger and stronger on the needle, and eventually I found it. Probably that's where I walked in the grass there, probably over there somewhere. Just on a mission, recovering my drone, being attacked by dogs. It's alright. Now I'm using this app again. I don't know if you can see this. I'm getting a good signal. Oh, I'm sure that dog's just been in my bag. Anyway, I thought I'd lost my Flytec, but I'm using my little trusty app. Seen it come down in all this long grass. A quick pan round. That's where I was flying from over there. It took me a while to find it, but keep an eye on the signal, watch the signal going up. There it is, guys, there it is. One lost drone recovered. I'm pretty glad about that. So, like I say, if you lose your drone, just go out the direction you're flying in. That's where I was flying from, those trees over there. I've seen it come down here, but I thought it was close to those trees there. But I pressed the land button and it actually came down here in the long grass, so I'm really glad I found that, because it's got some pretty cool flight footage on, I should imagine. So probably about 10 feet into the grass, so that's where it was. And if you can see, looking back on that hedge line, where that tree is sticking out over the hedge line, you can see the bench there, that's where it was. So it's 100 metres to that tree line. This must be another, easily another 15 metres or so. And then probably another 5 metres into the grass, so definitely 120 metres or so, if not a little bit more. So it's got pretty impressive range. And luckily it was still powered up. I got that signal off it. So remember that, guys, that app is really, really good if you ever lose your Wi-Fi drone. Remember, it only works with an Wi-Fi FPV type drone that kicks out a Wi-Fi signal. As long as it sends out a Wi-Fi signal, you can detect it with that app. So I thought I'd share that with you, just to let you know how I've got on. So I got my drone back. That's the main thing, to fly again. So hope you like the video. Press that like button, and don't forget, continue to subscribe. Thank you to all my existing subscribers. Any new subscribers, please subscribe, because there's going to be loads more videos like this, loads more tips. I'm going to be doing loads more upgrades and things like that on my drones, and just general drone stuff. But anything techie, mostly drone stuff. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye for now.